Today I'm taking a look at the Topec 2-in-1 Extractor Kit. This is a very nice looking kit. I love the two-tone lettering on there, so I can actually read these where most of these I can't. So that is very nice. The most important thing with this is that you're getting a lot of different sizes with a very small kit. So if you've got a toolbox where space is limited, or maybe you're doing something mobile, or maybe you just want something that you can easily grab that you can carry out to the site, this is going to be the kit that you want for that. Now we can see it goes all the way from an 1/8 up to a 7/8. So that is actually a pretty huge kit for the number of sizes that we have in here. So let's see, 1/8, 5/32, 3/16, 7/32, quarter, 9/32, 5/16, 11/32, 3/8, 13/32. Man, everything all the way to the 32nd, even to the 64ths here, 7/16, half inch, 15/32, 9/16, 17/32, 5/8, 19/32, 11/16, 21/32, 3/4, 23/32, 13/16, 25/32, 7/8, and 27/32. So all the way down to the 32nds, this is an extremely thorough kit. Now the reason that's important is because maybe you started out with a 3/4, for example, but whoever was working on it, they were putting a socket on there and they just rounded it off. This should work on it, but then if they grabbed pliers and they started like removing material, you might need to go the next step down. So that's why having these very close values is actually extremely important, because even though it started out as a 3/4, you might have to go down to a 21/32. As you can see, it gripped into that bolt, no problem. So if you got something that's a little rounded off, that's not going to be an issue. There we go. So yeah, Topec makes some great stuff. Like this thing grabbed into there, no problem. Much better than any kind of an Allen would be able to grab into that. So this is an excellent tool.